two cars started from the same point and traveled on a straight course in opposite direction exactly. So in such questions, the first thing is that we should be able to draw an appropriate figure to answer the question. So that's what I'm just trying to do first. Two cars started from the same point and traveled on a straight course in the opposite direction. So one train is going here, one car is going to the right and one car is going to the left. So now they are going in the opposite direction for exactly 3 hours, at which time they were 330 miles apart. Now, if one car traveled at an average of 10 miles per hour faster than the other car, what was the average speed of the slower car for the 3 hours trip? Now, first of all, we need to understand the concept of relative speed for this. Relative speed is defined as the change of distance between two objects in unit time. Between two objects in unit time. So that's what we need to understand, that if one car is moving to the right, other car is moving to the left, for example, their speeds are A and B respectively, then the distance between the two of them will continue to increase at a pace of A plus B, and therefore when the two objects move in the opposite direction, the relative speed is defined as the difference of the two. Now here, we understand that 10 miles per hour is the difference between the speeds of those two cars if one car traveled at 10 miles per hour faster than the other car. So, suppose one car has a speed of x, then the other car has a speed of x plus 10. In that case, the relative speed of these two cars will be equal to x plus 10, that is equal to 2x plus 10. Now the question is, what happens when they have traveled 3 hours? So in 3 hours, the distance can be represented as speed multiplied by time. Now we know that the relative speed here is 2x plus 10. This is the speed at which the distance between the two is increasing every hour, and this is happening for 3 hours. That means the total distance between the two after 3 hours should be equal to 2x plus 10 times 3, and that has been given as 330. So all that we have to do is simplify this equation, that is 110. That means 2x equal to 100, and that gives us x is equal to 50, which means one is moving at a speed of 50 and the other car is moving at a speed of 60 miles per hour. Now the question is, what was the average speed of the slower car? So the slower car is moving at a speed of 50, and therefore the answer to the question becomes option C. Thank you so much.